I'm excited to introduce Photons Energy, the name behind the new solar installation at KIURE Engineering Limited. We believe deeply in our motto, where nature turns to energy. At the heart of our technology are photons, the fundamental particles of light. When sunlight strikes PV cells, photons transfer their energy, causing electrons to flow, empowering KIURE Engineering Limited. Our solar system equips your facility with reliable, efficient power to run computers, refrigerators, lighting, microwaves AC, and a wide range of equipment, all without interruptions or reliance on unstable grid power. The result? Your team can work seamlessly. No technical glitches, no downtime. We don't just install systems, we educate. How sunlight becomes electricity. The core function of photovoltaic cells. The long-term economic and environmental advantages. This empowers your team to understand, own, and optimize the system's performance. At Photons Energy, our commitment is to transform nature's design into human opportunity. By harnessing photons, we bring innovation, savings, and resilience to your operations. Let's work together and make nature's energy part of your success story. Emphasize key phrases like, where nature turns to energy, and empower your operations.